Do you have any advice for someone that's looking to get into interior design as a junior designer?
I would say, like, they need to do a lot of research, make sure that they're happy with all the challenges and all the hard work they need to put in, because it's just not all pretty. It's a lot of work that each interior designer needs to do.
Okay, what was it a lot more challenging than you expected it to be when you first started?
Oh, definitely. I really didn't think it's going to be this challenging. I absolutely love it, but it is very challenging. It's always been. And I think it's a beauty about doing interior design, because we do a lot of projects, but we never had two projects similar. So every project is different, every day is challenging. And I love it, but just other people need to make sure they love it as well. It's right for them.
Yeah, sure. I bet it's more rewarding because it's more challenging.
Oh, definitely, right? Yeah.
And you never get bored of any projects because they're all different.
No. And every project feels like it's a start. It's a new start. It just doesn't feel like you're doing something forever, all day, every day. There's different parts to each project, which I think is very interesting.